Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if this is your first time tuning in. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how to make the best scalp treatment that will help with redness, itchy scalp, and stop any form of inflammation. So guys, the ingredient we'll be using, or the herb that we'll be using for this treatment, is ginger. Okay, so this is what ginger looks like. I'll go ahead and properly wash it because it has a lot of sand in it. I got it from a local market. Okay, so I'll go ahead and make sure that I wash my ginger very well. This thing you see right here has a lot of benefits for your scalp and for your hair. Okay, so stick with this video and watch to the end so that you will know the benefits of using ginger oil, ginger juice on your natural hair. So guys, I'll wash a couple of times so that I'll be able to remove all the dirt. So this is the last wash, and as you can see, the water is very clean. I went ahead to break them so that I can get to every corner of the ginger so as to wash out all the dirt that is in it. Okay, and for this I won't be peeling them off, so that is why I'm washing it really well. I won't be peeling the back of the ginger because I am not drinking it, and I'm not cooking with it. Okay, so I don't think it's necessary to peel off the back, but if you want to cook with it or drink it, go ahead and peel the back. So right now we are done with washing. As you can see, the water is still clean. We are done with the last wash, and this is what the ginger looks like. So let's go ahead and crush it. If you have a blender, it should be so easy for you, but if you don't have, use this hand grater to grate your ginger into tiny pieces or into a pulp so that you can easily get the water out of it. All right, and even if you don't have a blender, you can go ahead and use your mortar to pound it very well. All we'll need is grinded ginger. Okay, so as I was filming this video, my light went off and I decided to use this torchlight, so pardon the quality of the video. All right, so guys, I'm done with grating the ginger. As you can see, it is not crushed enough for the water to come out, so that is why I'll be using a mortar to pound it further. So I'll go ahead and use this little mortar of mine to pound it. All right, so that is what I will be doing right now. We need the water of this ginger to come out. Okay, so whatsoever you would do and get the water out, just do it. All we need is the water and not the chaff. Okay, so I will pound till the ginger grinds very well and becomes a pulp. As you can see, it has grinded very well. So this is what we need. I'll go ahead and add some water into it so that the ginger won't be so concentrated, because we are using this on our scalp. So after adding the water, I will turn it a little bit and I'm going to cover it up and let it sit for just 5 minutes. Okay, letting it sit down for a little while will help the nutrients to infuse into the water. So 5 minutes has gone by and this is what the ginger looks like. You can see that the water is no longer as light as it was before, the color I mean. So guys, I'll go ahead and stir it up a little bit, then I will strain it out using this piece of cloth that I normally use for my DIYs. All right, so we are straining it out so that there won't be any particles or chaffs of the ginger in our liquid. Okay, we only need the water, we don't need the chaff. Guys, before you use ginger on your scalp, make sure that you do a patch test on your arm. If it is very itchy or you develop rashes, please don't use it on your scalp, but if it's okay, go ahead and use it on your scalp. Normally ginger burns, but it's not supposed to be so much. If you notice much burning, please wash it away immediately. So now that we have removed the chaff, just go ahead and transfer it into your applicator bottle or your spray bottle or whatsoever that will let you use the ginger on your scalp, because we are spraying this on our scalp, not on our hair strands. But if you want to use it on your hair strand, go ahead. I love to use it on my scalp because I see it as a very good scalp treatment. So now I'm transferring the ginger into my spray bottle. This spray bottle is white. If not, you could have seen that cute yellow color of ginger. So now I'll cover it up and go ahead and start applying it on my natural hair. So guys, it's time to apply the ginger juice on our scalp precisely. You can go ahead and use this on your hair strands if you want to, but I prefer using this treatment on my scalp. So I'll start by sprinkling it on my edges so that I don't get to forget it. So whenever you are using any hair treatment, make sure that you sprinkle it on your edges as well, because your edges also need that love and care. While I do that, I will share with you all the benefits of using ginger juice on your scalp. Ginger juice helps to fight against a yeast infection which causes dandruff, and that yeast infection is known as malassezia, and the symptoms of this yeast infection are itchy scalp, redness, or flakes. Alright, so it also contains antifungal properties which fight against this same yeast infection or any form of scalp infection. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties which help to soothe your scalp and get rid of any form of redness or itchiness from your scalp. Ginger juice also boosts blood circulation to the scalp, which helps to transport nutrients to your hair follicles, thereby giving you a very healthy looking strands. Ginger juice also helps to retain thickness and reduce hair fall. It helps to retain thickness of your hair strands and also helps reduce hair fall. Ginger juice also contains antioxidants which helps with the neutralization of free radicals. And so now that I'm done with spraying the hair juice or hair treatment all over my scalp, I'll go ahead and cover my hair with a plastic bag. This will help with the increase of heat so that the ginger juice are going to penetrate very well into the strands of my hair and also into my scalp for them to work properly. So guys, if you don't have a steaming cap, this is the best option to go for. Alright, so guys, I'll let it sit for like 10 minutes, then I'll go ahead and wash off my hair. I don't like leaving my hair treatment for so long. It is normal to feel like a little burning sensation or something that feels like a menthol on your scalp. You don't have to worry about that, but if it is so intense, go ahead and wash your hair immediately. That is why I neutralize this ginger with water so that it doesn't get too concentrated for the scalp. So right now I have washed off my hair, and that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. My name is Riola Dindu. See you all in my next upload. Bye.